Daniel, do you realise what the date is today?
Yeah, of course I do. It's Friday the 13th.
And what's more, there's a full moon tonight. Do you still want to go out?
You sound a bit frightened, Nathan. Look, they're only silly superstitions. Really, there's nothing to worry about.
I know you're right, but watching all those scary films makes me think they're real.
Well, take your lucky charm with you then.
Oh, you mean my rabbit's foot? Okay, but don't you have a lucky charm?
No, I don't believe in them. I just make sure that I don't break any mirrors or walk under any ladders, and then I know I'm all right.
See, Daniel, you are superstitious.
No, I'm not. I'm just sensible.
Come on then, let's go before something happens.